Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnaiyer from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam. 18th November 2025, Kartika Masam, 2nd day. Tuesday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadrudo, Kritika Masam, that is Vrchika Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 8:29 a.m. Trayodashi, then Chaturdashi, Bhauma Vasaram, Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 6:55 a.m. Chitre Nakshatram, then Swadi Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamakandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Gulyagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:13 a.m. in Kerala. Chandrashtamam for Meena Rashi. Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Shraddha Tithi Chaturdashi. Om Srimatre Namaha.